Previously on Maryswrld, I get an email from Curlfest and they tell me that I've been selected to be a volunteer. I'm excited. So this vlog is about to be lit, okay? So like guys, I made it to the train station. A little late, but it's still okay. Oh my god, the sun is hitting. On my way to World Trade and then train station and then to Randall's Island for Curlfest. I really hate boats. I'm gonna die. Oh god. I'm low-key freaking out. So I was on the wrong side, but now I'm going to find my POC for volunteering. It's not that hot today because it's like early and I have to pee. But we out here. Okay, my goal next year is to definitely be able to do videography for Curlfest because it's literally so nice and I could get such good shots. It's gonna happen, period. Hello guys, my volunteer buddies.
I want to be in the picture.
It's a video.
It's a video. Okay, I want to be in the video.
Hi, say hi to my YouTube.
Oh, we about to be on YouTube.
Oh.
We about to be famous.
Yo,
girl.
period.
So
Hi,
sweet.
Bianca.
Hey.
Hi. Guys, I got this free thing. Cause I did the, I really should have vlogged that, but listen, y'all get the point. Hello. We're coming.
You be back.
Ah, look at all those black people on that thing. We got free bags, y'all. We got free bags. Period.
Wait, hold up.
Hey, what's your name? What's your name?
I'm G Star. You can find me on Instagram at Hair by G Star.
Yes. And what's your
Hey,
name?
y'all. I'm Risha, Dollhouse Rish.
Yes, they're gonna do my edges. Wow. You guys work for Cream of Nature and everything?
We're actually through an agency that Cream of Nature hired.
Oh.
Yeah, so our agent sent us out.
That's cool.
Shout out to Beauty by Technique.
Okay. You guys are out here all day?
Yes.
Me
We're
too.
going to Weather the Heat with you, okay? What's your name? You didn't even tell us your name.
I always forget to say my name. My
Why?
name is Mary. I don't know.
Don't forget who you are, girl. You a queen.
My name's Mary.
Hey, Mary.
And this is my YouTube channel.
Yes. Well, make sure you tag us so we can follow you back and
Yes.
repost your story for today.
Thank you.
Well, your vlog, really.
Yes. And you're putting in the jewel. You know, I forgot to do jewels in my hair.
Really?
Yes.
Well, you just got two.
Yay.
And I actually stretched yours out.
Thank you.
Yeah, since your saniguis are on the looser side, so it'll at least form with the pattern that you have there.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Yo.
All right, edges. Yes,
My edges have
Reese.
never looked this
Yes.
good. Thank you.
We got a winner.
They want our money. That's crazy. Let me get up out of here. It's been a day. Okay, yeah.
How long we been here?
Been here since
4 hours? 4 or 5 hours?
we got here.
I can't tell time.
I'm Jordan. You can follow me at kween.j. That's Queen J.
Okay.
K with a double. Wait, K. Queen with a K.
Queen with a K.
Queen with a K.
My name is Maya.
Okay.
My name is Maya T8X0.
Say yours too. Okay. What the heck? No.
They're like,
What
which
the
one?
heck?
Like, no, I don't want it. My name is Ayana. You can find me at IYA.
No, not even that. Just couldn't remember my Instagram.
I'm debating if I want to like risk it for the food. But
Tell them to stop posting photos and just.
you want to say your Instagram now?
Oh, you can follow me at sincerely.b_.
How do you not remember that?
I don't know.
I cannot. I'm roasted.
Yeah, it's not.
But guys, we just got done doing boxes. We did like a lot.
1,000.
We did a lot of bags. It was hot.
It's hot.
And now we're waiting to see if we gotta do more or we can be out. So.
I don't have my address.
Wow. So we had to dip because they wanted us to pack like 50 bags. So me and Bianca, we was like, we got up out of there. And now we're waiting for the bus. But literally leaving is so like hectic for no reason. I'm hungry. I haven't eaten all day. And I want to go home. I wish y'all could smell how nasty it smells in here. Like, it smelled like we had 8 babies in here and they all took a poop. Like, Bianca really expects me to eat that? Like, what?